Welcome to 1 Minute GRE. Our today's word is vintage. Vintage means related to items of high quality from a previous era. It represents the time that something of quality was produced.
Some examples of the word are:
Bordeaux red wines are considered to be at their best between 8 to 23 years after the vintage. This is a vintage car made in 1917. Ben's hobby is restoring vintage motorcycles.
We won a bottle of vintage Beaujolais at our wine tasting party.
Thank you for your time. Wishing you a very best of luck for your upcoming GRE exam. Please subscribe to our channel if you think it's helpful. We have mentioned some amazing books for your GRE exam. Check in the descriptions. The next word is given on the screen. Hope you will enjoy it.